Greetings to you. Welcome to our English learning series. We help you speak English more naturally. Today's phrasal verb is figure out. Let us begin. What does phrasal verb figure out mean? Figure out means to understand something or to find a solution to a problem. In simple words, when something is confused at first but you finally understand it or solve it, means you figure out. Usage: I can't figure out this problem. That means I don't understand the problem, or I can't find out the solution to this problem. Some more examples. She figured out how to use the new software, meaning she learned how to use the software. Another example. Can you figure out the answer to this question? Meaning, can you solve it? One more example. We finally figured out why the computer was not working. Meaning, we discovered the reason why the computer was not working. Another example. I am trying to figure out what he really meant. Meaning, I am trying to understand what he really meant. Don't worry, you will figure it out soon. Meaning, don't worry, you will understand or solve it soon. Here are some important usages. Instead of using I don't understand, use I can't figure it out. Instead of using I don't know, use let me figure it out. This is more positive and effective. Instead of using I can't solve it, use we will figure it out. Using this phrasal verb will make your English sound much more natural and conversational. Now it's your turn. Practice makes mastering language much more effective. Please write 1 or 2 sentences using the phrasal verb figure out and post onto the comment section below. If this video is helpful, please like and share this video to your fellow learners. Please subscribe to get more videos on mastering English. Summary: figure out means understand or solve. There are 2 ways of using structure 1, figure plus object plus out. Example: don't worry, you will figure it out soon. Another way of using figure out plus objective. Example: I am trying to figure out what he really meant. Keep up the great work. Thank you for watching. Keep learning, keep practicing.